everybody, welcome to Helping Hands. This is me Aaditya and I thank you for watching this video right now, and I promise you that if you watch this whole video without skipping it, you'll also be thanking me at the end of the video. In today's video, we have continued our public speaking tips sessions, and in today's video, I shall show you a speech by me on women violence, and we shall discuss the things that are good in the speech and the things that I needed to improve to make it a better one. We shall be doing all these things to make you understand what things are essential while speaking and how you can make your speech a speech that everyone loves to hear. So let's hear my speech now. A father wandering around the court for years to get a justice for her daughter who was raped by a gang just because she did not accept the love proposal made by one of the boys. These things are not limited just to movies and have been a part of our real world, and we have been a part of them. Greetings to everyone. This is me Aaditya, and today's topic of my speech is women violence. Defining women violence is very simple, but being a part of women violence, either as a creator or as acceptor, is very difficult. It's a very different thing. While defining women violence, we just simply define women violence as the hampering of rights of the woman. But when a woman is a part of this, when a woman is victimized, she means everything by that. That is not only her rights. Her life is damaged due to some of the actions of we people. We people do nothing regarding this context. Actually, regarding this context, I have been speaking and you have been hearing. But what actually we are doing is nothing. If I speak, you hear, and we do not do anything else, nothing is going to change. Millions of girls will remain being sold on daily basis all over the world. Millions of girls will remain being raped and sexually assaulted. Millions of women will remain being burnt if we do not make a change. And to make a change, we should not just simply speak and hear formally. What we actually need to do is to make a difference. We need to stand out together. We need to make the family members aware that if a daughter is raped, that is not her problem, that is the problem of the one who did it. And the person needs to be punished in a way that he never tends to do such action again. Actually, according to me, the person should be shot by the girl who he raped. In order to stop these crimes, we need to stand up. And they too need to stand up who have been victimized. Millions of cases are reported and billions of cases are not reported due to the fear of reduction in social prestige, so-called social prestige. Some of other causes are that the people who have been a family member of a politician have the right to do whatever they like, and the people like us have been bearing it in simple way. And this is the actual thing what women have been doing for a very long time. It is not a very short thing, that it is not a thing that has started just in a few years. Have you seen your grandmothers and your mothers eating after your father and your grandfather do? Does your sister eat after you do? Does your wife eat after you do? Ask yourself a question. Isn't it a part of women violence? Isn't it a part where the rights of the women are snatched? Actually, they are. And if you want to change, you need to speak. You need to tell your mother, you need to tell your grandmother, your wife and your sister that they can have food along with you too. They have the same rights that you have got, and they can enjoy the rights by being at you. If all of us become aware about what we need to do regarding this problem of women violence, there will be no more sexual assaults, there will be no more rape cases, and there will be no more women being burnt alive. There will be no more girls being sold because there will be no one to buy them. If we all come together, we can solve this problem easily. So let's come out, let's speak, let's do. Thank you very much. So, how was the speech? If it was good, tell me in the comment section. But I know there were some things that I needed to improve to make it more better. And now I'm going to tell you some things that you two need to do to make your speech a better one, a lovable one. So note the things down. The things will be displayed on your screen and I will explain them. So the first thing that you need to do is to start your speech with something interesting. As you saw me starting a speech with a story, a father wandering around the court for years to get justice for his daughter who was raped by a gang just because she did not accept the love proposal made by one of the boys. You can also start your speech with something interesting. Might be a story, a quote. If you are starting your speech with a quote, your quote must be related to the speech. Sometimes I have seen people speaking whatever they like. They use whatever quote which is not even 0% related to the speech. So you need to take a quote that is related to your speech. You need to explain your quote a little and then you can start speaking. Or you can use a story like me. The story should have emotions. If you are speaking a story of a very brave person, your voice should show that boldness. If you are speaking emotional, your voice should have that emotion. So the first thing is start your speech with something interesting. Might be a story, a quote, an example, a proverb, etc. The second thing is you need to be based upon a central idea. That is, if you are speaking on women violence, all the content should be around women violence. You should not go around men violence or something different. The content should be around women violence. It may be a little different, but it should be connected to women violence. The central idea must be women violence. So central idea is the main thing that you should include in a speech. If you do not have a central idea in your speech, you shall move from here to there in the speech and there will be nothing that the people will understand after the speech ends. You should leave something for the public to understand from your speech, and that is the central idea. The third thing is to maintain a good body language. Body language is the language that your body speaks while you yourself are speaking, and that is maintained through good gestures and good posture. If you are speaking on a stage, you should not move just from here to there on the stage. You should not just move your hands like this. You should maintain your movement of your legs, your hands, and you should maintain a balance between your speech and your body language. People should feel that they are connected to you, and you can make this with good body posture. The fourth thing is to maintain a good tone of voice. Your voice should not be monotonous, that is, you should not use a single tone of voice. If you are changing emotions, if you are changing thoughts, if you are changing content within a speech, if you are going from emotional status to bravery, then your voice should also change. The tone of your voice should also get bold from simple. From low, it should get bold if you are getting from emotional to bravery. That is, you need to maintain a good tone of voice while speaking. So, by doing all these things, you can make your speech a better one and a lovable one. I have an extra tip for you to attract your audience, and that is, you need to ask questions in the middle of your speech or in the beginning. You should ask questions and then answer it. By asking questions, you will increase curiosity in the audience. If the audience has listened to your question, it will wait until you answer it. If you ask questions to the audience, they'll also feel that they are capable of answering the question. That's why you have been asking them. And if they understand that, they'll love to be a part of listeners of your speech. And when the number of listeners will increase, you shall be more confident, you shall have a better stage, a larger stage to speak, and you shall grow in the field of public speaking. Public speaking is all about practicing, and practicing will give you everything that you need: confidence, a good body language, a tone of voice, some techniques of making it a better place, make better space, a better thing, making your speech a better one. You'll get all these things by practicing. So keep on practicing, and I shall be posting videos, I shall be uploading videos similar to this, which will help you to increase your skills on public speaking. We shall continue this session of public speaking tips. Till then, I request you to like this video if you liked content, to share this video, and to subscribe to my channel, so that I get motivated and I keep on doing things that will be helping you. It is my initiation to help people who actually need help. Thank you very much.